Well, right there's our fancy CAD drawings. We went to build these stairs. That's it. That's all the design work we did. And that's all the board we have left. So we did pretty good. And I made one mistake, but we'll use that board up later. So I guess that's it. Well, today I'm not working on my house. I'm doing a video. That's what you're wondering about. Some fella, Ronnie's out here painting, and he thought I was talking to him. I get that every now and then. Some little girls, they want bracelets of jewelry for when they have their birthday, and other little girls want stairs in their barn. So it's a birthday gift for my daughter here. So we did these stairs yesterday. We didn't math at all. We double checked the math, and we didn't like that. So we said, well, let's just build them by eye. And I think we're doing pretty good. Now, Destiny went and got the stringers boards for it, but then she was smart and bought, what, a 4-foot stringer? 4 foot, yeah. She bought a little 4-foot stringer we used as a template. So it made it pretty easy. I'm a template kind of a guy, as I've told you before. So then we've just held boards in place and kind of just figured out what angle we wanted. And she got out our level, made sure each stair tread was level. And now we got that one in the back going up. And that'll be up to her barn where she's going to store her hay. And so old-fashioned barn is what we're building here. This was a tin shed when she started, and now she's got an old barn. So I'm here to finish up, and I'm going to get off my fancy duds here. I could see that they're going to be spraying, and I'm going to end up with spray paint whether I want it or not. I'll lean against something before the end of the day. So my goal is to get that stringer up today, as well as build the corner. The landing. So we looked that up, and landings are what, 36 by 36 for code. Yeah, 36 by 36 for code. So I'll get that landing up there, and then we'll get the stairs up, and maybe she's got enough for a few stringers. I think a few stair treads, right? Yeah. We probably have boards for 5, 6. We might make it all the way. We don't know. We'll find out. So, all right, that's the little project we're working on, and I'll put you on stop motion here, and I'll build that foundation right there, that landing. Let's see if you can see what I've got planned here. Yeah. All right, so we'll talk a little bit. Right here, this is already strung along the wall. We put blocking in where it to even it all out. So this stringer is level and ready for us to put risers on it. And then what we're going to do with this base is we're going to build it so that it just touches underneath here, and then we'll tie that all together. The base will block in over, so that it doesn't shake when you go up. We're talking about stairs there, and I made the suggestion of possibly just getting a, fold out ladder, because she won't be using that very often. So she might do that. So that's my next step. I'm going to get that going. So look, Destiny pointed out I did good. I wrote where I started yesterday, leg. So this here leg goes here, and then once we put 2 layers of flooring on there, it should go right up to the top of that. So that's what we're working on right now, building that box up. And I feel pretty good about that. We could do that out in the sun. Oh my gosh, it's the world's lightest hammer.
Yeah, that's the
So what I think we should do is your your little boards. Let's get those in place. This way.
It's definitely stout now.
That way.
There we go. And now we'll be able to screw that bottom one.
Perfect.
Yep.
Yeah, excellent.
I'll get down in there.
Don't do that yet
No?
until we're sure.
Okay.
Are you sure? Let's do this
yes.
part.
I like it.
Let's
it
see
being,
how good we did. And then 31, did we decide between these two? Go ahead and set it down, baby.
It's
Yeah, we'll get the
33.
two.
No, you're right. Yeah, 31. It was 31.
What did we decide? Those that was 1.5 inches,
It was.
or a little less than that. Maybe a little less than that, huh? I've got those two little pieces. Put it in there and see what we think.
Yeah,
Man, I think that's
that
going to
would
be
be-
perfect.
Yeah, that would be.
All right, let me pick this one up and we'll put it under, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's put a level on there like you did before.
Yes, sir.
As far as I'm looking at these stairs, they're all lined up really well, in my opinion.
They're
Pretty
about-
much spot
yeah.
on, right? Here.
Yeah, they're
We
about
don't
what
even
they were.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they're.
And the
what they were.
stairs are kind of over the extra support there. They're kind of over the extra support there. I'm wondering if you're, well, but see, that'll be screwed into the wall, so I don't have to worry about that one. Uh-huh.
If you were, we really could put just one more support
Yeah.
here like this. You know?
I don't think it would hurt.
Yeah.
I agree with that. I'll cut one more. But what would you screw it into? You'd have to toenail
Into this-
screw it, right?
Right into here, here,
Oh,
here.
I see.
Or you could cut it on the inside and attach it to here.
Yeah,
Here.
yeah, I could, and you could screw it through the front of those support.
I mean, like you said, it's not screwed in right now, so if we put it
Yeah, I
on the
like that
inside,
idea.
I could screw it here and here.
Yeah, just one more.
Yeah.
I like that idea.
Yeah.
All right, we're putting it 2 layers thick. So this is our final layer right here. Big circular saw will get me close. See the damaged one, you know, the corner damaged one was over there. So I'm just going to cut the damaged one off. I guess I'll measure.
I could lift the stairs up.
5, it says. 5. I got faith in me. But you can double check me with this speed square. I don't know. I think we should double check your old man. Do it.
You're dead on.
Dead? Ah. Let's, what was that movie? Vinny, my cousin Vinny. Dead on. It's the silliest movie.
That's too small.
Yeah.
We'll just do 2 more.
Lambs found a happy spot. I remember we had a shed for the lambs and they used it.
I think this head is too small.
Alright, she's doing final measurement 31 between boards. And then she's going to make it match down there.
Yeah, it is about 31 and a half.
Alright. Well, this is if I commit to this. When we build the inside stair, we're going to have to really think. I like it.
Me too.
So again, you'll think about putting this because it'll make it a lot darker under there. Right now you get light bleeding in.
This is true, but I don't like tools looking like messy and trashy. So that's why I like the idea of like cabinets like that.
Man, it looks good.
Yeah.
It really does. It's got a good geometry to it.
Yeah. I'm excited about
All
it.
right. All right. Well, birthday gift is done. She's got to finish this all by herself now. Out, come out. There you go. Built stairs. We didn't even math. We just templated it. And I made one or two mistakes in cutting boards. Two mistakes. And one was by measuring. I don't understand that. All right. Like, subscribe, follow me along. Bye.